हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम वंस अगेन। तो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे ही आप देख ही रहे हैं कि जहाँ पर हम अभी मॉर्निंग वॉक को जा रहे हैं, तो इस प्लेस का प्रॉपर नेम है अरुणाचल। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम जाने वाले हैं मुन्नार टी गार्डन। तो चलिए वहाँ चल के दिखाते हैं आपको कितना ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस है। और हाँ, साथ में ये भी दिखाएंगे कि जो टी लीव्स हैं वो कैसे यूज़ होती हैं और एट लास्ट वो कैसे पैकेजिंग होती है टी में। मौसम थोड़ा ख़राब हो गया है और हैवी रेन भी हो गई है, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं। थैंक गॉड रेन थोड़ी रुक गई है, तो अभी हम प्लान कर सकते हैं मुन्नार टी गार्डन जाने का।
मुस्कुराइए, आप मुन्नार से हैं।
इधर देखो, इधर
What is your name? Your name?
Yes, and the name. Hello.
अरे हमारी सीट ज्यादा अच्छी है, अभी वही बैठ गई पीछे, बताओ।
सबसे बेस्ट है आगे, सेकंड
पीछे
सर बैठे हुए आगे वीडियो बढ़िया। अरे जी आप ही चला लो,
हमारी फोटो भी ले लेंगे।
फोटो की वीडियो बन रही है।
अरे जी तो बैठो आप यहाँ, फोटो खिंचवाओ। हमारा ड्राइवर कैसा हो, कैसा हो।
अभी जहाँ हम जा रहे हैं टी गार्डन मुन्नार, तो इसका डिस्टेंस यहाँ से 13.6 किलोमीटर है अरुणाचल से, और अराउंड हमें 28 मिनट्स लगेंगे वहाँ पहुँचने में। अच्छा वो
There's age 22. So what you see here, the everything's tea plant. Actually, he is not decided for the tea. He decided coffee and silicona. Now it's happened COVID. 100 years before, lot of malaria. Same madam. Lot of anywhere is malaria. So 1924, before independence, there's lot of foreigners only staying. Britishers dealt with malaria. So that way people before there's 18, that time was the same malaria. As a reason that people want to agree for silicona, then tea. The tea start from China. The time 2737 BC. Chino. The teas are 225 varieties. This more famous tea. These are China seas, Assam seas, and Indonesia. The different China seas very shorter. That tea have a lot of flavor, more tasty, more aroma. Quantity wise very less. Leaf very smaller. Just give more flavor. Actually, less leaf. There's lot of seed, lot of flowers. The production very less. Assam seed, pruning tea.
Bruni.
So the same process, Darjeeling and Assam,
Okay.
every year.
Every year. You are doing in 90 days, they do yearly.
No, we have it every 5 years.
Ah, you are
This
doing
five-
every
next-
5 year, okay.
That people every year.
Every
Through the
year.
year. Actually, once in a year that will cultivate black tea also. This black tea also we had took the green tea, 3 leaf in a bud.
Hmm.
For example, show the leaves. Okay.
Yeah. This is
Yeah.
good quality. ये जो
Yes,
आ रहा है ना
quality.
ऊपर, वो एक निकल के आता बीच का बीच से. This one
This
ऊपर
one.
का है. This is really good
Yeah.
quality.
So this 2 leaf in a bud, this much.
Yes.
These are the special leaves. Any picture, tea picture that people
Yes.
show these 3 leaves, this is special leaves only. So why we are doing the pruning? Reason, this is without bud.
Hmm.
This bench without bud is lot of actually this percentage of without branches. We have lot of branches per circle. So above 5% 10% is more. We want to prune.
Hmm.
So with bud only good quality. The green tea manufacture 1, 2, 3 this much. The top 3 leaves only green tea manufacture.
Hmm.
The black tea, the 3 leaf in a bud black tea.
Hmm.
Just the bud. This is white tea manufacture.
Okay.
White tea just dry by sun.
Hmm.
No oxidation, no rolling, no fermentations. White tea just dry by sun. Actually, we want the ready the moisture. We want 2.5. Depend on the climates. Not here. We get the actually Munnar climate not considered.
Hmm.
We had the incubator infrared light to dry. Incubator method. Suppose Darjeeling. That's also that period also is a light facility. We keep the baby also. This process. We want a more important continent. The green tea, the top 3 leaves, no oxidation green tea, just we are dipping the hot water to 10 minutes, 100 degrees hot water, we just dip the leaves. Then at the withering process, I will show this factory withering, just we just cut the leaf, we have crossed the hot air. Then directly dried. That other that's great is OTRD, overnight roll process. Another one, streaming type of green tea.
Everything is going up.
100 is old plant.
All this is going up.
Yes, going goes. Sanju going and has going.
And what happened to RP Goenka? They still have something here, no?
Ram Prasad going is not there.
No, their part because Sanjeev was different. Right?
As a Sanju, Goenka, sons too. Has going and Sanju going. From to 20 kilometer. Another process. We have the CT's factory also. CT's crushed here and curl. Customer satisfaction. That's all. I need a customer. I need a money. We are not blocking. There's a shearing process by shear. This non-selective leaf, for example, by hand is possible 2 leaf in a bird. The per shoot 2 leaf in a bird. The per second 2 leaf. Per minute 60 into 2 120 into per hour into 8 hours. The plucking as I'm in torturing. By shear, just cut the leaf. Mix everything. Na? This mix everything. Is not a waste for CTC. This is strong to manufacture, darker color. Strong, that's not a strong. Strong means you feel that, what is strong? Kadak means? Strong means? Kadak. Dark. I can just as body spray. Is color? What do you say? Strong. Strong is a taste. Yes. You can feel the taste, smell.
ये बहुत ही अद्भुत नज़ारा है। यहाँ टी गार्डन है।
चलिए अब आपको ले चलते हैं टी फैक्ट्री, जहाँ पर ये लीव्स ले जाई जाती हैं और सारा प्रोसेस होने के बाद एट लास्ट उसकी पैकेजिंग होती है। तो चलिए चलते हैं। ओ टी पैकेजिंग देखने के बाद लास्ट में हमने उस टी का स्वाद भी लिया और फिर लास्ट में हम चल पड़े केरला फार्म, जहाँ से हमने, जैसे कि आपको पता है कि यहाँ के स्पाइसेस बहुत फेमस हैं, तो वहाँ से हमने कुछ शॉपिंग की। जो सबसे फेमस है चॉकलेट, क्योंकि यहाँ की जो चॉकलेट्स हैं हैंडमेड होती हैं, तो लास्ट में वो भी हमने चॉकलेट फैक्ट्री से परचेज़ किया। तो कैसा लगा आपको ये वीडियो? अगर अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय, थैंक यू।